Fruit carving is a beautiful, delicate art, and we just can't get enough of it. Take a look at the following ideas. They're truly one of a kind. People just can't get enough of gazing at fruits and veggies transformed into artistic shapes. The possibilities are limitless. You can carve all sorts of objects, like a radish rose. If you want to give it a try, make sure to begin with very sharp knives. But don't forget, safety first, and then let your creativity flow. This is so spectacular. Remember, the canvas are your veggies. This is way cooler than you think. It's like playing with your food, but in the most epic way possible. How about turning mango into a cute little fort? Oh yeah, that's totally doable. Next, carving an amazingly surprising creation. With the utmost precision and care, our chef makes every tiny cut. We can't wait to see what this creation will turn into. Are you excited to see the final result? We absolutely are. It's going to be tough to devour this masterpiece. I mean, just look at all that hard work that went into it. Oh, this is absolutely so amazing.